This past September, the latest D23 Expo convention was held in Anaheim, California. This year, there were many new announcements being made, including the return of a fan-favorite nighttime spectacular, a new ride, a new walkthrough attraction, and much more. So without further ado, let's take a look at the top 6 new changes being made to Walt Disney World in 2023. Arguably one of the more popular changes being made to Walt Disney World is Tron Lightcycle Run. This high-speed roller coaster themed around the movie Tron Legacy is currently being built next to Space Mountain and Tomorrowland at Magic Kingdom. After nearly 5 years of planning and construction, we have an opening timeline of spring 2023. Since the Walt Disney World 50th anniversary celebration is ending on March 31st, 2023, there is a good chance that Tron Lightcycle Run will be opening around April 1st. The ride has been testing nearly every day for a while now, most times with full audio and even actual riders. And with leaked footage of the queue and the loading station of the ride, there's no doubt that Tron is near completion. So hopefully in the upcoming months, we get an official opening date and possibly some dates for previews. As a matter of fact, after many months of waiting for an official opening date for this ride, we finally have one. Tron Lightcycle Run will be opening April 4th, 2023. The very first announcement that was made during the Parks panel at D23 Expo was that Happily Ever After will once again light up the night sky in 2023. It was also announced that this will not be the exact same show as the previous Happily Ever After we all know and love, but thankfully, the theme song will remain. Most of the scenes in between the theme song will be changed to more recent Disney movies such as Encanto, Raya and the Last Dragon, Soul, Luca, and more. It has been confirmed that this nighttime spectacular will return on April 3rd. Let's just hope that this show is as good, if not better, than its past version. Since 2019, a huge chunk of what is now known as World Celebration has been under construction at Epcot. And to be honest, it has been quite annoying sometimes navigating around Epcot without being able to go through the center of the park. But it has just recently been announced that Journey of Water inspired by Moana will be opening in late 2023. This walkthrough attraction will bring water to life as you stroll past interactive water elements that are designed around the movie Moana. Seems that construction is moving along quite fast, as Disney just recently shared a post of the new 16-foot tall Te-Fiti statue placed within the attraction. And with many other photos of construction coming along well, it is very likely that Disney will fulfill this opening timeline. I am estimating that it may open around October 1st of 2023, since that is Walt Disney World's 52nd anniversary. All we can do now is wait to see when this spectacular walkthrough attraction will finally open. Let's head over to World Showcase Lagoon, which is home to Harmonious. This nighttime spectacular began on September 29th, 2021, and sadly it has been announced that it will be replaced at the end of the 50th anniversary with a new nighttime spectacular that celebrates the 100 years of wonder at the Walt Disney Company. Disney has claimed that Harmonious failed to amuse guests on the same level as Illumination's Reflections of Earth, which was replaced by Harmonious in 2021. I personally really enjoy the show and I'm sad to see it leave. Harmonious will be leaving at the end of the 50th anniversary, and in between Harmonious's closing date and the new 100 Years of Wonder Nighttime Spectacular's opening date, supposedly Epcot Forever will be replacing it temporarily, as it did when Illumination's Reflections of Earth was removed. I personally really enjoy the show and I am sad to see it leave. Maybe they will do something similar to Disney Enchantment, where they will add this new 100 Years of Wonder show, and then once the celebration is over, they might bring back Harmonious. Who knows? But I'm sure that this nighttime spectacular will amuse guests the same way Illuminations did. Going back to Magic Kingdom, let's head to the Haunted Mansion, where 999 Happy Haunts roam. It has recently been announced that the Hatbox Ghost animatronic will be making a debut on this attraction in 2023. Now, as many of you already know, the Hatbox Ghost animatronic originally started at Disneyland over in California. It was placed roughly in between the Dead Bride scene and the Grim Grinning Ghost scene, so maybe it will be the same in Florida. This animatronic is amazing as it uses projection mapping to create the illusion of its face disappearing and reappearing in the hat box he is holding. This is an addition that will definitely improve the Haunted Mansion at Walt Disney World. Last but not least, possibly one of the biggest changes happening to Walt Disney World in the upcoming years is Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Announced all the way back in 2020, it was said that Splash Mountain would be closing down permanently for a full and complete re-theme to Princess and the Frog. Then earlier this year, it was announced that the new ride will be named Tiana's Bayou Adventure and that it would open in late 2024. About a month ago, Disney confirmed that Splash Mountain will be permanently closing for this re-theme starting January 23rd, 2023. Which means January 22nd will be the very last day you will be able to experience this classic Walt Disney World attraction. I personally think that this re-theme will be good for this attraction as the animatronics and the rides itself is starting to show its age. Some concept art has already been shared, with this one in particular being shown alongside the announcement of its closing date. This scene will replace the first part of the ride right after the first drop, which is known as Slippin' Falls. Overall, I think this will be good for Magic Kingdom, but I wonder what they will do with Frontierland since Princess and the Frog doesn't really match the theming. I might be at Magic Kingdom on Splash Mountain's last day, so stay tuned for a new vlog and last day POV. Thank you guys for watching this video. Comment down below what you are most excited for at Walt Disney World in the new year. If you would like to see more, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe as it would help me a lot. Have a happy new year.